This is my review of this touch control lamp with USB ports and also electrical outlets. So I just have this in a bedroom. I have one on each side of the bedside table. So the top just has a regular small kind of light bulb in it. This is just the average texture, kind of fabric texture of a regular lamp stand. It's just nice and squared out by wires at the top. As for the bottom, there's actually 3 different USB ports, and then on the back you have the electrical outlets that are there. In order to get the light to go on, it has a touch button, which is great, so you can just simply turn it on and off. And as for the weight of it, it's super lightweight, and this part is easy to clean. So I hope that's helpful.